Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So I'm doing an automotive video today, and I'm doing a little review on a HANKOOK Kinergy GT. I'll let you see over here. These have approximately 40,000 kilometers, which is about 25,000 miles. And I want to do a little review because I'm pretty happy with them, and I want other people to consider getting them. Now, if you look over here, the dates are, these are 2019. So if you look, that's 6 years since I put 40,000 kilometers. However, keep in mind that they set for some time. So I bought them off the owner that got them brand new, and they sat there for some time. Now, even though the tires were in the storage, I'll let you see the compound looks amazing. Now, for my measurements, after 40,000 kilometers, I got the 7 millimeters here, and I got 4 at the back. So what I'm saying is that these were at the back, and I just had them rotated, and I put them at the front, so that way I even out the wear. You will see that in a second. Now, going furthermore, another thing that I've been very happy, besides how they wear down, is the snow. No, these are not the snow tires, these are Allseason. However, if you look, the car is garaged and I don't have any cracking, but they've been excellent in snow, and they've been excellent in rain at the same time. And if you look over here, this side is even, this side is even, so they've been wearing off quite nicely over here. If you're looking where they're made in Korea, just for the reference. Now, again, I'm gonna link down in the description on Amazon where you can buy them if you want to support my channel. Now, let me show you the second one over here, which is this one. Okay, so these are now at the rear, but they were at the front. And you see, I was a little bit lazy to rotate them, so I have some, I don't think I have some damage here, but I have some wear here, you see, because of my turning. Keep in mind, when the tires are on the front axle, there's turning, so this is gonna cause a little bit of friction here, so they will look a little bit different. I'll let you see. Yeah, same dates, same everything. Now, if you look at the tread pattern, I have 4 millimeters here because they were at the on the front, so you see I got a little bit of less tread here. Now, because I have them at the back, I'm gonna be able to even out. I have more tread at the front, so they're gonna wear more at the front on this car. But again, no cracking on this one. I'm pretty happy how they have been wearing down, and I highly recommend them. And again, this is the HANKOOK GT Kinergy. If you have more questions, let me know down in the comments, but I highly recommend this tire after having Continental Ultras. Take care and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.